Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is the part 6 of Name Keychains and let's get started. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how to make heart symbol on the name keychain. So you can add this symbol at the beginning and end of any name. So after drawing the heart symbol over the 5 lines, we have to identify the positions. In this symbol, we have 7 positions. Watch carefully. I am marking out each and every single position. As the shape involves the number of curves and slanting lines, we have to roll them only one time for each position. Now identifying the pointers or point of contact. So the first position have the second one. In the second position we have 1 and 3. In third we have 1 and 4. In fourth we have second and fifth. In the fifth we have 1 and 4. In sixth we have 1 and 3. And in the seventh position we have the second one in contact. Follow the same dots pattern over the strip. The beginning have to be secured. And then let's begin from the position number 1. In the first position we have the second line in contact. So take out the second thread, which is white color. Take it away and roll it only one time. Hold it and put it back. In the second position we have 1 and 3. So take the first and third, that is green and radium color threads, away and roll the thread once. Hold it and place them back. In the third we have first and the fourth one. So first is the green, take it away, and the fourth one is orange. Put that away. Now arrange the remaining threads and roll it only once. Hold it and put them back. In the fourth position we have 2 and 5. Here 2 is white and 5 is violet. So taking these two away, turn the base thread only one time, hold it tight and put the threads back in places. Make sure you don't change the positions of the threads at any point of time. In the fifth position we have 1 and 4. So taking the first green color and the fourth orange color threads away, roll the thread once, hold it and put it back. In the sixth position we have 1 and 3. Again the green and radium. Put the threads back, remaining threads in places. Roll the base thread once, hold it and put them back. And in the final 7th position we have the second thread. So taking the white color thread away, put all the other threads in line, roll the thread once, hold it, place the threads back in places, and now give the letter space. The heart symbol is completed, and you can use this symbol over the keychain or Rakhi or your bracelet or your friendship band or anything. See how cute it is. If you need any reference to any alphabet, just go through the playlist. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Hook and knots.